short video showing you how to install the DAB delivery kit. Now this is a product that you would purchase separately, which is going to take the outlet connection from a right hand connection to a left hand connection. So the first thing we would do is take out the plug out of the T. Take off the coupling off the delivery kit. Come back to the connection. Screw that in. Hand tight and then nip with a spanner. Connect the delivery kit. Sliding that in. Now these two nuts on either side are to hold it in position. Once they're tight, take the cap off here, and then you would put that cap and tighten that up there. And now you've gone from a right outlet connection to a left outlet connection.